Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show everyone how to make origami boat the easy way. First you get this rectangular piece of paper, okay? And you fold it in hamburger way, like this. Okay, like this. And then you fold this in half like this. Okay, and then you open this. And you get this piece of paper, fold it like this. Get this piece of paper, fold it like this. And you see on the bottom, there's two kind of like flaps. You get the first one, fold it like this. And then turn it over. You get this front flap, fold it like this. Okay? And you get this, see this? Get this piece, see? On the bottom, fold it like this. It becomes like this. And you get this bottom piece, fold it to like this. Turn it over, get this bottom piece, fold it like this. And you see over here on the bottom, you see this, fold it like this again. Okay, and then you fold it like this. This is how to make origami easy boat. Okay? So this is the easy one. And I'm going to show everyone more simple and beginner origami so that people could get more interested. So that's why in my another channel, I'm starting from easy first. On my another channel, I'm going to show everyone how to make origami simple boats. Okay? So yeah, so I'm going to do more easy origami. And then we will talk about origami too. And yeah, so on my another channel, I briefly talk about the origami history. That the origami started in the 6th century in Japan. And then it started to spread to different countries. I think somewhere in 1700s or 1800s AD. But it's 6th century AD. Started and then it spread. And then there was, I told a story about this one Japanese girl where she tried to make 1,000 cranes because there was a theory that it would bring the good luck. So yeah, that was my another channel. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Comment down below and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.